Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mandy. I'm a mom of 3 girls. I do a lot of homemaking videos. Before we go on with this video, I do want to apologize for the sound on the last week video. You guys, I'm working on it. It's just that the device that I want to invest on is quite expensive, but thank you so much for all your positive comments. I had some pastry left, so I decided to make the girls these mini sausage rolls. And also I wanted to show you guys like the continuation just for that part of the video. I do bulk on cheese because I can make a lot of meals with cheese. So I got a big bulk of mozzarella and a big bulk of cheddar cheese. Is it Gouda or cheddar? Oh, okay, guys. One of those. I think it was cheddar. It's okay. Either one, we do eat it. So I grated and sealed it off camera because I've done that with you guys before. We'll do it again, just in case, just for those people who are new. But you can like check on my previous videos also if you are new to the channel. And thank you so much for watching this video, the previous videos. Thank you so much for all your support. I really do appreciate you all. If you're new to the channel, you're so welcome. I hope you do find some value in this content. It is Friday, so on Friday there's a lot of cooking, there's a lot of like reset. While I'm waiting for this dough to be like prepared and ready, I decided to go and reset the girls' bedroom and my bedrooms. You guys will see that shortly. The girls didn't go to school because it was the last day of school. We had to attend the governing body meeting so that they won't go to school on this day. I don't know, it was their way of tricking us and they got us. The dough is ready. We're just going to wait at least for 30 to 45 minutes and then we make ujeke. My brother is coming, you guys, home, and he loves everything that is made with flour. We will also bake after these few clips while waiting for the dough. As mentioned, now we are here. I love this thing, you guys, even though it's small, but I love that it has the magnet at the back, so I just like connect the magnet and then like it is sorted. There's also laundry, you guys. It's a reset. We are preparing for the market and I'm also preparing for the new week just to ensure that everything is clean. I think I will do the girls' bedding when we come back because we are expecting someone to fumigate the house, so I don't really want to change much of when it comes to bedding, and we won't be home next week. We're just going for a short left, you guys. Nothing much, but it will help because we are very tired. We work so hard. If you guys remember, we decided to stop my aunt from coming because it was a lot of money and she was only supposed to be here on weekends. But now we are taking the girls to the markets. It's mostly Saturdays where I'm working. During the week I don't really work much, but now I see that my days are going to be very busy because we are back on Makro, like to sell on Makro. We thought like it's a story for another day, you guys, but I will try to share again on the business channel. I had flour on my back, excuse that, it's so disturbing. I haven't posted on the channel for 9 months. Like after Makro I stopped posting. I got so demotivated, but then now we are back on Makro. At Makro I got my first order for the year, guys. This is where Sisi's Nalo's dresses are. I decided to put those hooks that I got from Shein, and then her ironed dresses are nicely hanging here. I love this so much because I'm utilizing what I have. are still working on the girls' bathroom, you guys. Part 2 is coming of this bedroom update. When? I don't know myself, because we are working on a budget and we are not rushing anyway. I got this mirror from Mr. Price Home. Love it so much, but I don't love the color white. I want to give it that old look. I'm thinking of getting it stained, but I haven't got the stained paint, and then I'll just hang it on top of this dresser. I think it will just be an amazing piece for them. And we are flower picking today. This one is from the previous video. I'm just showing you guys how pretty these roses can be, but we will pick up a few flowers towards the end of this video. 10 minutes of this video. Only now I'm realizing that I'm wearing the same dress that I wore on the previous video. If that's getting to you, I'm so sorry. It was one of a few dresses that are ironed. Some I'm saving them for next week because I don't want to buy new clothes. I'm just going to wear my old clothes. It's just a few days anyway, and we want to do things on a budget. So you guys, I just took this dress. I swear I didn't take off the t-shirt. It is not the same day. It is days after. And wore it because I just didn't check that it's the same dress that I wore on the previous video. If it gets to you, I'm so sorry. But it is, this is real life. I am also a human being, as much as I decided to share my life here. But you guys, I'm also a human being. I hope you still do enjoy this video, find some motivation to get your space reset, like for a new week, for a weekend, whatever it is that is on your schedule.
When I feel surrounded, I speak your truth aloud. The Lord is my shepherd, your peace quiets every sound. You go before me always, your goodness never ends. You are my refuge, my Father and my friend. Your word lifts me, your promise makes me strong. Even in the valley, I know I'm not alone. Your word lifts me, it keeps me holding on. Fear not, I am with you. Your love is where I belong. When storms rise around me, I stand on what you say. My help comes from the Lord, you guide me every day. You renew my spirit, you carry all my cares. Every trial I whisper, I know you're always there. Your word is my strength, your love never ends. Your word lifts me, your promise makes me strong. Even in